Hello, I'm Dr. Corey King, Chancellor here at the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater, and I welcome all of you students for another academic year. I want to share with you a couple of things to think about. Number one, your academic success is a priority. Go to class, engage with your faculty, engage with your fellow students. Number two, get involved. Join one of the many student organizations on our campus. Your involvement inside and outside of the classroom will speak greatly to your academic success. And number three, take care of yourself and engage in the resources that we have on campus to ensure your well-being. I hope to see you on campus at one of the many activities and programs, or at one of our exciting sports events. Welcome, and go Warhawks.